Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Vidya Growth, and in this video I'm going to explain you the first chapter of classic science book, that is food. Where does it come from? The video will be bilingual in Hindi and in English. Let's start the video. When we start the chapter, the first question that arises in our mind is what is food? The whole chapter depend on the word food, so you must have the complete knowledge of it. So food क्या है? तो कोई भी काम करने के लिए we need energy, and the source of that energy in our body is the food we eat. So food क्या है? Food is what people and animal eat to survive, as it provide us the energy for doing different kind of work. वो वक्त कुछ भी हो सकता है. इट कैन बी रनिंग, वॉकिंग, रीडिंग, राइटिंग. इवन फॉर स्लीपिंग वी नीड एनर्जी, एंड द सोर्स ऑफ दैट एनर्जी इज द फूड वी ईट. So from here we can say that food is very important for our survival, as it provides us the energy for doing different kind of work. Now, as we are familiar with the importance of food, let's move on to the next topic of our chapter, that is food variety. What is food variety? To understand this, let's assume a day and assume that on this day you had pasta in your breakfast, rajma with rice in lunch, and you ate chicken in your dinner. तो आपने पास्ता लिया होगा ब्रेकफास्ट में, राजमा विथ राइस इन लंच, और चिकन में आपने डिनर खाया. सो वॉट यू ऑब्जर्व दैट you eat different kind of food items made up of different kind of thing on a single day. सिर्फ पास्ता नहीं खाया हमने पूरे दिन में, या सिर्फ राजमा नहीं खाया है, या सिर्फ एनिमल प्रोडक्ट नहीं खाया है, या सिर्फ प्लांट प्रोडक्ट नहीं खाया है. वी ईट डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फूड आइटम्स. सिमिलरली पीपल ईट डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फूड आइटम, and this difference in the food item is known as food variety. What is food variety? Food variety is the difference in the food we eat on a day to day basis. But what make these food differ from one another? This thing is known as ingredient. अब ये ingredient क्या है? So ingredients are the thing that are needed to prepare a food item. जब हम कोई भी फूड आइटम बनाते हैं तो देर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स जो कि हमें चाहिए होती है अपना वो पूरा फूड आइटम प्रिपेयर करने के लिए. उन थिंग्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? इंग्रेडिएंट्स. एंड डिफरेंट फूड आइटम्स आर प्रिपेयर्ड यूजिंग डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ इंग्रेडिएंट्स. हर फूड आइटम बनाने के लिए हमें सेम इंग्रेडिएंट नहीं चाहिए होता है, हमें डिफरेंट फूड आइटम बनाने के लिए डिफरेंट इंग्रेडिएंट चाहिए होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, to make rice, we need rice and water, but for making rajma, we need rajma, oil, onion, water, spices, etc. So from here, we can say that ingredients are the thing that we need to prepare a food item, and they can be one or many depending on the food item we are making. So this is the next topic of our chapter, that is food, material and sources. As we discussed in our earlier slides that we eat different kind of food items made up of different kind of thing. But from where we get these things? We get these things from sources. Food material come from different sources, and there are two type of sources. First one is plants. Plants are the source of food ingredients like vegetable, fruit, grain, cereal, etc. However, एनिमल प्रोवाइडर्स मिल्क, एग एंड मीट. तो टू टाइप ऑफ सोर्सेज होते हैं. प्लांट हमें वेजिटेबल और फ्रूट प्रोवाइड करते हैं, और एनिमल हमें मिल्क, एग और मीट प्रोवाइड करते हैं. नाउ as you can see, there is a question and I'm giving you 5 seconds to answer it. The question is, name some animal who provide us milk. हमें कुछ एनिमल्स के नेम बताने हैं जो हमें मिल्क प्रोवाइड करते हैं. So I'm giving you 5 seconds to answer it. So when we think of animal who provide us milk, the first name that come in our mind is cow. Another one is buffalo, and the next one is goat. But there are many other animal also who provide us milk. For example, lamb milk is very popular in hilly region. However, camel milk is drink in very large quantity in desert areas. So now next topic is plant parts and animal product as food. तो जब भी हम कोई फूड आइटम बनाते हैं तो एज अ फूड इंग्रेडिएंट क्या कभी हमने पूरा का पूरा प्लांट या ट्री उसमें डाला है? नो, वी ऐड ओनली सम पार्ट ऑफ इट एज फूड इंग्रेडिएंट. क्यों? बिकॉज वी डोंट ईट द होल ट्री और एनिमल एज फूड. ओनली सम पार्ट ऑफ दीज आर कंज्यूम्ड बाय अस एज food. For example, people don't eat feather and fur of animal, hence we remove them before cooking. Similarly, अगर हम कोई वेजिटेरियन डिश भी बनाएंगे या प्लांट बेस्ड डिश भी बनाएंगे, प्लांट प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड डिश भी बनाएंगे, तो हम उसमें पूरा का पूरा प्लांट या ट्री नहीं ऐड करेंगे. ओनली सम पार्ट ऑफ इट विल बी यूज्ड बाय अस एज फूड इंग्रेडिएंट. Because the part of plants and animal that can be eaten by us are known as edible part. क्योंकि सिर्फ कुछ ही पार्ट हम कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं एज अ फूड या खा सकते हैं, और उन्हीं पार्ट को हम क्या कहते हैं? एडिबल पार्ट्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एडिबल पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट आर, इन लीव्स वी हैव स्पिनच एंड तुलसी. तो स्पिनच और तुलसी प्लांट के हम क्या क्या खा सकते हैं? वी कैन ईट देयर लीव्स. सिमिलरली इन फ्रूट्स वी हैव एप्पल, मैंगो एक्सेट्रा. एंड इन वेजिटेबल वी हैव पम्पकिन, ब्रिंजल एक्सेट्रा. द एडिबल स्टेम इज शुगर केन. The example of edible root is carrot, potato. However, seeds can be eaten by us in two ways. Either by converting it into the oil. For example, mustard seeds are converted into mustard oil, or we can eat them simply like pulses. But there is a third category of seed also that can be eaten by us. And that third category is known as sprouted seeds. तो अब ये sprouted seeds क्या है? तो एक्चुअली जब हम एक सीड को बहुत दिनों के लिए एयर कॉन्टैक्ट में छोड़ देते हैं, सो अ वाइट कलर स्ट्रक्चर केम आउट ऑफ इट, एंड दिस स्ट्रक्चर इज नोन एज sprout, and the whole seed is known as, with that sprout is known as sprouted seed. So what is sprouted seeds? A small white structure that came out of the seed is known as sprout, and seeds with sprout are known as sprouted seeds. So here are some steps to form sprouts on seed. The first step is wash the seeds with water. So पहले step में हमें क्या करना है? We have to wash the seeds with water. In second step, we will drain the water out of them. And in third step, we will keep them aside for one night covered with wet cloth. The next day, we will observe that the seed have a white structure known as sprout, and the seed with that structure is known as sprouted seed. Actually, sprouted seeds are very healthy for our body, and hence we must have the knowledge of them. So these are some example of edible parts of plant. But apart from these, we also get some other food material from plants like nectar. What is nectar? Nectar is a sweet juice from flower. तो फ्लावर्स के अंदर एक स्वीट जूस होता है, उसे ही हम क्या कहते हैं? नेक्टर कहते हैं. It is collected by bees and then converted into honey and stored in their hive. As we can see in the picture, there is a beehive and it is filled with honey and bees. We collect that honey from these hives and then will be eaten by us as food item. So yeah, इसी beehive से we will collect the honey and we will use it as our food ingredient or as a food item. So this is the last topic of our chapter, that is what do animals eat. Animal क्या क्या खाते हैं? Like us, animal also don't eat the same kind of food. They also depend on different kind of food material for their survival. Like animal who eat plant and its product are known as herbivores, for example cow, rabbit, etc. The animal who eat other animals are known as carnivore, for example lion, tiger. So जो animal सिर्फ plant and its product खाते हैं उन्हें हम herbivore animal बोलते हैं, for example cow, rabbit. And the second category is of the animal जो दूसरे animal पर feed करते हैं, for example carnivore animal. The last category is of the animal who eat both plant and other animal. For example, they are known as omnivore animal, and their examples are bear, crow, etc. So in last category we have the animal जो दोनों खा सकते हैं, plant और दूसरे animal भी, उनको हम omnivores animal कहते हैं. उनके example है bear, crow, cat, dog, etc. So with this, your chapter is finished. Now we will discuss the exercise. The first question of your exercise is, do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? As we discussed in the chapter, we don't eat the same kind of food. Instead, we depend on different kind of food items made up of different kind of thing. So the answer is no. All living beings do not need the same kind of food. For example, in example we are giving the example of animals. So some animals who eat plant and its product are known as herbivores. The others are carnivore animal. They feed on other animal. And the last one is the animal who eat both plant and animal, known as omnivores. So we eat different kind of food item because we need to be healthy. The second question is, name 5 plants and their part that we eat. So we have to name 5 plants जिनके parts हम खाते हैं. उन plants को भी लिखना है और उनके वो parts जो कि हम खा सकते हैं, because as we discussed we don't eat the whole plant, only some part which is known as edible parts are eaten by us. So in spinach we have edible leaves. In potato plant we have edible roots. In apple plant we have fruit, and in almond plant we have its seeds, and in sugarcane we eat edible stem. Third question is of matching. We have to match the items given in column A with that in column B. So हमें कुछ words दिए हैं column A में भी, column B में भी, and we have to match them with each other. The first one is milk, curd, paneer, ghee. As we can see, these all are made up of milk, and milk is provided to us by animals. So they are animal products. So these are animal products. The second one is spinach, cauliflower, carrot. These all are vegetables, plant products. The third one is lion and tiger. As we discussed in the chapter, lion and tiger are the example of carnivores animal who eat other animal. The last one is herbivores. Herbivores are the animal who eat plant and its product. So the fourth question of your chapter is of the fill in the blanks. The first fill in the blank is, tiger is a dash because it eats only meat. तो टाइगर क्या है जो सिर्फ मीट खाता है? So as we discussed in the last topic of our chapter, that carnivore animal like tiger eat only meat or other animals. So they are known as carnivores. The second one is, deer eats only plant products. So जो animals सिर्फ plant products खाते थे उन्हें हम क्या बोलते थे? We call them herbivore. The third one is, parrot eats only dash product. So parrot क्या क्या खाता है? Parrot eat chilies, he eats seeds of different plants. So he eat only plant product. The dash that we drink, which comes from cows, buffalo and goat, is an animal product. तो इस पे तो हमने क्वेश्चन भी किया था, and the question was, what we get, name some animal who provide us milk. So milk is that drink that comes from cow, buffalo and goat, and it is an animal product. Last one is, we get sugar from. So from where we get sugar? We get sugar from edible sugar cane stem, and the answer of it is sugar cane. So with this your chapter is finished, but here are some extra questions given by me for the better understanding of the chapter. So the first question is, name some plants who has more than one edible parts. तो हमें कुछ plants लिखने हैं जिनके more than one edible parts हैं. But what is edible? So edible is the parts of the plant and animal that can be eaten by us. So one example of that plant who has more than one edible part is mustard plant. The seeds of mustard plant is converted into oil and then used as mustard oil, and the leaves of it is used in an Indian dish known as saag. So the second question is, write 5 food ingredients we get from animals. So in this we have to write 5 ingredients that been provided to us by animal. So what is ingredients? Ingredients are the thing that we need to prepare our food item. Now as we know the meaning of ingredients, we can answer the question. And the ingredients that we get from the animals are milk, eggs, meat, and the product made with milk. As milk is provided to us, so the product made with milk is also provided to us by animals, like cheese, butter, etc. So with this, your chapter is finished, and the next chapter will be discussed by me in the next videos of our session. Thank you.